Director of DOST Region 8, no other than Dr. Glenn Ocaña. Yes, Doc Glenn, malapit na naman ang annual scientific meeting. This year, 2025 po, what is the milestone or yung major accomplishment of your region, DOST Region 8?
Medyo marami siya, no? Kasi marami na yung
Opo,
mga
yung
program.
highlight lang po.
Mga highlight are, I think yung nagawa namin with regards to the implementation of the Smart and Sustainable Communities program. In Region 8, we have 9 na LGUs na natutukan talaga namin, and we are now helping them transition into a smart and sustainable city talaga. And then sa setup din natin, it's parang bagong direction namin to make sure that we are really helping yung mga MSMEs that really needs boost para mas lumaki pa sila yung namin. And we are right now focusing on coming up with new products for Region 8 na mas high value siya, but will still be using the same raw materials that we have. So just recently, only this week, nilaunch namin yung isang project na ganito yung theme na niya. It's the processing of tahong to produce glycogen. Glycogen is a chemical which is being used for pharmaceuticals and cosmetics. And with this product, hindi natin kailangan problema yung mga fisher folks natin na masyadong marami sila na nagproduce ng tahong, na maski magkaroon ng red tide, makaka-income pa rin sila because we have this new type of project or new type of product. And yung first namin na ganito na we come up with new products na mga high-end na coming from Region 8 is really ingrained with our partnership with the local state universities and colleges. So yun. So and right now, ngayon pa lang, we have just I think we made a breakthrough for the Banig products of Samar.
Yeah. Ito po yun yung kaninang mga display nila. Opo.
So yun. So it's a traditional product known, but it has already revolutionized into a more fashionable, more sabihin natin sexy na mga product na really world class na siya. And through the help of our underscore for regional operations, we are connected to the Consul General of New York City, San Francisco, Consul General Ferrer. And together with our governor in Samar, where we will make sure that our product using PICOG and other natural materials from Samar will be breaking the market.
The US.
Of the US. So tayo naman sa UST will make sure na papasa yung mga products nito kasi mga organic ito siya, papasa siya sa mga standards, and it will be required from us by the US market. So yun lang natin. So
that's the good news.
marami pa yung marami tayong ginagawa pa, making sure to sum it up, we are making sure and exerting effort to really make science, technology, and innovation relevant to the needs, especially to the developmental challenges of Region 8.
Thank you so much, Doc Glenn.
Okay.